In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money with Instagram affiliate marketing and earn reoccurring commissions. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what to do. Right now, you're probably scrolling Instagram, wondering how others get paid. And you see it all over the place, right? You see creators getting paid to post online. And you're curious and you want to know how, right? Not only that, what if your Instagram content could pay you every single month, right? So instead of creating your own product or promoting someone else's offer that only pays one time, reoccurring commissions can pay you months or years later on for your efforts that you put in right now. All right. Instagram affiliate marketing is the perfect vehicle for this. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting someone else's product. All right. So that means you don't have to build a product or a website or handle customer service or inventory or anything like that. All right. You just send people to a proven offer through your unique affiliate link. So when you sign up, you get your own link, you get people to click through to your link and then buy the product, and you earn a commission. The goal is simple: to build reoccurring income that lasts. Okay. So the problem with one-time affiliate payouts is you have to find all new customers the next month. So you might have a good month, and have a viral video, but the next month you have to start over and find all new customers. All right. You don't need a website to make this work. No domains, no blogs. All right. Your business simply runs off your unique affiliate link. And all you have to do is send people from your reels to your link. You can post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, but Instagram seems to have the best target market. That means no boxes in your apartment, no customers, no dealing with customer service, and no product delivery or returns. So what do you promote? What I suggest you do is promote a paid membership that teaches affiliate marketing, my paid membership. It's a premium automation course that shows you how to scale and automate promoting your affiliate link on social media. All right. So when you sign up for the program, you refer other people and earn a reoccurring commissions every time you do. All right. Not only that, there's also a scale and automate course inside the group, which if someone buys through your link, you also get 50% commissions on that. Instagram is simply your traffic engine, okay? That means you post short form content and you point everything back to the link in the bio. Now, what happens is if you're starting a new account, you need to warm up the account properly. So when you join the group, I teach you exactly how to do everything, okay? And I'll get to that here in a second. So with this, I say refer other people, but that does not mean pitching your family and friends or anything like that. I teach you how to promote the offer through Instagram. All right. But before you post, like I said, you need to warm up your account. That means simply that you prove to Instagram that you're not a bot, which is actually harder, easier said than done, but they've gotten very sensitive to bots and people, doing things too aggressively. So if you like too many posts or you follow too many people at one time or you message too many people, you have to kind of do everything in the right order to really be trusted by the platform. And that's where it unlocks the viral reach. So a lot of times you're posting your reels and you're wondering why they don't get views. And sometimes it certainly is the content, but the other times, especially on Instagram, Instagram just doesn't trust your account enough to push virality to your account. So when you sign up for this program, I teach you exactly how to warm up your account. I've taught over 1,000 people to do the same, and I know that it works. Okay. So you're going to spend some time scrolling. I can't get too much into the process right now, but there's a very specific way you have to do this. Okay. So, like I said, you get your warm up plan, and then from there, once your account is warmed up, you need to post good content. And everyone has this idea of what good content is, but what I've done is I've analyzed thousands of the top performing posts on Instagram. And what I came up with is a framework that most of them use. They're all following the same game plan. Okay. So if you're posting blindly without this framework, you're really taking shots in the dark and you don't really know what the algorithm is prioritizing. And I teach that in the course. All right. So you don't have to guess anymore. Like I said, the reels follow a proven pattern. I don't know who wrote this. This is nonsense over here. All right. Nope. You don't have to rotate content. Nope. But you don't have to show your face. So a lot of times people are, showing their face, but you don't really have to. Okay. It does build some more trust. People will trust more when they click the link. But like I said, you don't have to. All right. And then from there, once you join the group and you want to automate everything, okay, I teach you how to do that. Blah, blah, blah. Stick with me here. I got some more value for you. Like I said, most people do Instagram affiliate marketing the wrong way. They promote random products with one-time payouts. They don't know how to warm up their account or post with the viral video framework. And they quit before they post 2,000 reels or 200 reels because they see they're getting low views and they're like, oh, this doesn't work. I have seen the same post do 300 views and 3 million views. You have to stick with it. So what happens is when you post, the algorithm pushes your post to, a batch of 100 people. And based on how those 100 people react, it'll decide, along with your trust score of the account, does this video and account deserve to be shown to more people? Okay. So not only do you need a trustworthy account, you also need to post good content, and you need to do it a lot because you can't control how that initial 100 people reacts to the video. So the more volume you have, the more times you post, the better opportunity for those initial 100 to react favorably, and then your video gets pushed. Part of the warm-up process is also teaching the algorithm who to show your videos to. So it's extremely important. Like I said, you're plugging into a done-for-you business, a system that's already proven to work. Okay? You can post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Everything is completely automated. That means every time someone clicks through your link and buys, that's automatically tracked, and payouts are automatically sent out to you. Here's what you don't need to start. You don't need a website, no inventory, no customer service, no previous experience. I teach you everything you need to know. All right? And no paid ads. This is all completely organic. So this is how you make money with Instagram the smart way. You use Instagram as a traffic source, and you focus on an offer that pays reoccurring commissions, which I'll reveal here in a moment. And you follow a plan that is proven to work. Imagine your Instagram account 6 to 12 months from now. All right? Thousands of posts that are continuing to pull in views and clicks to your referral link to an offer that could continue to pay you every single month. All right? The best time to start building your recurring income is right now. Because I want you to imagine 5 years from now, still earning commissions off of the efforts that you put in today. Here we go. You know what you got to do. But first, I need your help. I need you to help me blow up on YouTube by subscribing to the channel, hitting the thumbs up button on this video, commenting your income goals below, sharing this video with a friend that wants to make money, and finally, if you really want to help me blow up, watch this video like 100 times. And if you're ready to get started, click the link in the description below. Let's make some money.